Ever heard of the Great Emu War in Australia? Weird, right? But did you know the USA once waged war against migratory birds? 1920s America faced an unexpected enemy, the humble sparrow. Brought here to control pests, they turned into pests themselves, devouring crops during the Great Depression. In desperation, the government declared war on sparrows, leading to one of the oddest conflicts in American history. This bird war led to the spending of countless dollars and sparked debates on wildlife management. Next time sparrows visit your feeder, remember their ancestors once battled an entire nation